Welcome to this video. In this video we're going to do a van tour of the Weinsberg Carabus 600K, also known as a Fiat Ducato. If you're interested in a review of this car, we've also done that. It's linked in the description below. We have also decided after riding in this car for about 2 weeks that we want to build our own camper van. So if you want to follow that journey, you can of course subscribe. Our first mission on this journey is actually finding an appropriate car, which is a little bit harder than you think. Anyhow, let's get into the car. So like I said, this is a Weinsberg Carabus or a Fiat Ducato. It is for 4 people. So 4 people can sleep in here and 4 people can dine in here and ride in this car while it's driving. So this is the dining room area and kitchen area. It has 2 swivel seats right here. They work as a driver's seat and as a passenger seat as well. Super comfortable. Here it's the dining table, breakfast table, basically your table. It also kind of swirls out like this, which is kind of awesome. You get some extra space. And here you can seat 2 people. This is the kitchen area. It's a nice, cute kitchen area. You have a little extra countertop right here, and trust me, you're gonna love this one. Here you have a gas stove with 2 different plates, and you have the sink. Yay! You have hot water and cold water. It works actually really well. Talking about water, this works really good in this van. You have these different controls. This shows you how much power you have in the camper van. And this shows you how much power you have in the car. And this shows you how much water you have. So I don't know if you can see it because of the light, but it actually works really, really nice. And this one is really neat. Here you can control if you want any heat on. We don't need that because it's summer. Here you get to heat up your water in different ways. You can do the eco, the hot, or boost, which makes it really, really warm. Here is the power source. So if you stop at a camping site and you get electricity, you can choose electricity here, or you can just choose the diesel you have in your car. And here is the fan, which basically says like how much fan you want in your car. So this is kind of neat. What is also really nice about this car is that you've actually separated the car itself, like all the technical stuff where you use for driving, like the car battery, and the sort of van stuff. So the van runs on its own batteries and the car runs on its own batteries. But what's really good is that when you drive, you actually charge the van's batteries, which is awesome. So that means that you can charge small stuff when you stop, like iPhones or cameras or stuff. It's not enough punch for like Macs or computers. Here we have our storage area. In this one we have a little bit of food and stuff like that. Here are some open shelves which work like semi-okay. Here we also have storage, and we also have 3 cabinet drawers here with different kinds of stuff. So great for like cooking and cutlery and things like that. Here is a really nice fridge. It's a little tight in here, but I really like that the fridge is quite high up. And we also have a small freezer. Yay! So this works really nice. Here's more storage space. And in here is also storage space. Here you can actually hang your clothes if you like. It's a little crowded in here right now with some camera bags and stuff, but onto the bathroom. Well, I think the camera has to go in first, or maybe I can just squeeze in. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom is actually quite nice, and it's a luxury that I'm really happy that we've had. So here's the toilet, and actually emptying the toilet is much, much easier and much less disgusting than you'd actually think. So it's definitely worth it. So you have some storage space here as well. A perfectly well-working sink. The sink also works as a shower, so you just pull it out, you put it up here, and you get a nice shower. Storage space and a nice window, of course, also with a mosquito net. We have mosquito nets on all windows, which is awesome. Here is the sleeping area. So as you can see, this van actually sleeps 4 people. So you have 2 people down here and then you have 2 people here. You just make it a little wider so it goes out here. More storage space here. And there's also a similar shelf up front where you can store some stuff. We also have these, which are super nice in summer. And also, of course, mosquito nets and blinders, so it can get really dark in here. So here as well is a small ladder if you have kids that needs to get up here. Alright, so this is another great feature about the car. We actually have storage space back here. So this is the perfect space for our bags. So you just open it up like this and you can see the bed, of course. And here you have storage space, and as you can see, it actually fits in quite a lot of stuff. We've been using this actively. What you also have here is your gas. So here is the gas right here. And this has actually been enough for us, more than enough for us for 2 weeks. So it's pretty efficient, the oven, which is nice. If we take the trip around, here is where you fill up the water. So you can see how much water you have inside on the little computer thing. So that's quite neat. And also on the other side, if you follow me, we have here you have plug-in if you are at a camping space or camping lot, whatever. Yeah, place where you park campers. So, and here's the toilet thing. So it's quite neat. That was the van. I really hope you liked this video. If you are interested in a review, click the link below. And if you want to follow our journey on building our own van, please subscribe. See you around.